How to delete a Facebook page. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Facebook, click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down till you find Access and Control. Click on Access and Control. Then make sure your blue dot is in Delete Page and Continue, located at bottom. Then simply select the reason why you want to delete the page. Then press on Continue again. In here, you'll be able to download your information. If you don't need to download, simply click on Continue. Then add your password. After you have added your password, click on Continue. Click on Delete Page at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to delete a Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.